At this time, patasan ta mga tumawag DJ Hawaii, Barbaro yung nukwa.
Ito dito. Dito nga. Yan, dito nga, yan, okay.
Okay, for your live greetings, here is Kapsat Kathy Cabal Salvador. Ayan, kay Amiman nga dinggan so na. Okay, for your live greetings, here is Kapsat Kathy Cabal Salvador.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Yes, hello. Good evening, Itan. Good evening. Yes, good evening.
Oh my gosh, you put me on a spot.
Uwan, kahit ko lang ang kablaaw tasing ati mga i-pronounce, nagligat nga i-pronounce, dagit tayo nagnagan, dagit gagayam mo.
Okay.
Medyo nabig sa monitor. Okay, anyway, sino dagit tayo kablaawam dito live?
Okay. I see. Mabaina?
Oh, adito kan. Go ahead. Okay, anyway, sino dagit tayo kablaawam dito live?
Okay, I would like to greet all my friends.
Adito kan. Go ahead.
The good friends.
Yeah, so the good friends. Okay.
Okay, I would like to greet all my friends.
Mabali mo i-capture dito yung monitor mo for the meantime.
Okay, wait. Let me do that.
Okay. Yeah, so the good friends. Okay.
Okay, hello go.
Yan, okay. Kapsat Kathy Cabal is from Hilo, Hawaii. So ato yan, takitika gayam na.
Oh my goodness. I'm so shy. Okay, I would like to greet all friends from Hilo, Hawaii.
Yeah.
The good friends, dancers, Kathy Chavile, Ilios Agbalog.
And go ahead.
Okay, Ilios Agbalog, my sister Josie Cabal.
Of course.
Who else? See, I forgot. I'm blank right now.
Oh! Imbag na tinawagan ka, hamo nga na isurat ni Kapsat mo nga Joy, tatay, hindi message mo kanyami.
Oh, no, I did. Anyway, Marites Cano. Oh my goodness, you make me, you put me in a spot. I'm so nervous.
No, you don't have to. Okay.
Anyway, the magnificent. I would like to greet all the magnificent couple.
Yes.
My Ninang, Melba, and Mike. Jack. Yes,
Jack.
I have to get away from my speaker.
Yeah.
Okay, Melba and Mike Daek, Cheris and Kasoy, Sienes, Cathy and Arman Tabile, Marites and Derek Cano.
Oh, okay.
Who else? Oh, Ruth and June Rasa, Sheila and Samson Padasdaw. And I don't know, I'm so nervous. She put me on a spot. And of course, I would like to greet DJ Madam mga agding-dingig from Hilo right now, ni Gerald Dingle, Manang Chita Bermudez, the owner of the Filipino store, Linda Ganier. They are watching right now.
Okay.
So, yeah. And everybody.
Ayan.
My husband decorating Christmas tree in war. And my sister Sa Cabal, my brother Danny Cabal, my other brother Sergio Cabal, and the family, and everybody else.
Okay, so
of course, Manang Darlene, Manang Virgie, Manang Felicia, Ading Letlet,
Manang Marieta Romano Labo,
Manang Marieta, yes, Romania,
Ivy,
and everybody else.
Yes, okay.
Ivy. Yeah.
So, that's it. Thank you very much, Kapsat. Ayan, sinong batam tita?
Yes, Kapsat, you... Yes, ada request ni Gerald Dingle to nga pakigreet mo kano jay kanakan natin.
Go ahead.
Birthday.
Sikan.
Birthday, I forgot. It's kita kuman jay. Pakigreet mo kano jay Okay, wait. Let me check the name of the Kaanakan. Okay. Oh, sige, I cannot find any. I don't know. Oh, here. Aje kaanakan ng Ares J. Dingley.
Okay. So, happy birthday kay Ares. Yan.
Happy birthday. Request ni Gerald Dingley from Hilo, Hawaii.
Okay. So, that's it na Ibagamon. And once again, thank you very much for answering my call.
Okay.
Ayan. Ori na nakitut ka ba si?
Gosh,
Okay. And this piece is for you. Kada kayo amin na pong alita Hilo, Hawaii. Kaya salain nyo dahil ito yung sonata.
Nagana sa nabiyag no si kaading tay mabuy-buya. Dago sa mabang aran kaunggan day tirik na. Ngaminta pintas mo awan pang ipadaan. Isut mang kayaw day tuy marik-rik na.
Day nga is-isem mo ay puno ang makabiyar. Kasla alinunuta kalid mo ako sunada. Takutis mo kasla porselan at pangyari ka. Sikat sabong murmuray day tuy mata.
Nagpintas kanuading aglalo musik at umis-isem. Nagpintas kanuading ipatay ko taapagbingi nga isem. Nagana sa nabiyag no si kaading tay mabuy-buya. Dagot sa mabang aran kaunggan day tirik na. Ngaminta pintas mo awan pang ipadaan. Isut mang kayaw day tuy marik-rik na.
Day di nga is-isem mo. Okay. Pati sakto na ka maakarang kanyamon. Kasla alinuno takalid mo ako sunada. Pakutis mo kasla porselan at pangyari ka. Sikat sabong murmuray day tuy matak.
Nagpintas kanuading aglalo lusik at umis-isem. Nagpintas kanuading ipatay ko taapagbingi nga isem. Nagpintas kanuading aglalo lusik at umis-isem. Nagpintas kanuading ipatay ko taapagbingi nga isem. Nagpintas kanuading aglalo lusik at umis-isem. Nagpintas kanuading ipatay ko taapagbingi nga isem.